Real World Wednesday, you are going to be learning about daylight saving time. So it's often said incorrectly. A lot of times people say daylight savings time, but it's actually daylight saving time. And you're going to find out why it has that name. So daylight saving time begins at 2 a.m. this coming Sunday, March 14th. So what you're going to do for today, you are going to watch this Daylight Saving Time 101 video. Then after watching that, you are going to read about why daylight saving time even exists. After you've watched and after you've read the article, then you're going to complete a Flipgrid for the actual assignment portion for today to show us that you learned something. So when you make the Flipgrid, what you're doing is right here. And then your teacher will have directions on Flipgrid as well. So you are going to take a stance. There are people that are totally for daylight saving time. You're going to hear about that in the video and you're going to learn more about that in the article. They love daylight saving time. They think that we should continue doing that. There are people who are like, this stinks. I don't like setting my clock ahead early. I don't like setting my clock back in the fall. So you're going to hear that side of the argument. You're going to learn a lot watching the video and reading the article. So what your job is, you are going to take a stance on what you think. Do you think that we should continue daylight saving time? If so, explain why. Give reasons from the article, give reasons from the video of why we should continue daylight saving time. Or if you think that we should totally get rid of it, use resources and information from the video, use resources and information from the article for why we should totally get rid of it. And then we get to hear your opinion and see what you learned. So have a great Wednesday.